Twist the bones and then the back. Trim him of his baby fat, just like this. Hey guys, it's Allison, and today I'm going to transform into Winifred Sanderson, one of the Sanderson sisters from Hocus Pocus. Fun fact, I'm actually named after Hocus Pocus, if anyone knows the character Allison. That's me. My brother named me. It was his favorite movie. So this movie holds a special place in my heart, and if you want to learn how to get this look, then keep watching. First, for my base, I'm going to apply our Face Tape foundation with the Le Shaper sponge. Now to cover up my brows, I'm going to use our Shape Tape concealer because she doesn't really have brows and I got to cover these puppies up, so let's try it. Alright, now I'm just going to set everything with our Shape Tape setting powder. Alright, now to do some facial shading, add some wrinkles, all that good stuff, I'm going to use our Tarlet Toasted, and I'm going to use the shade Fireside. I'm also going to use the Toasted palette. She has a nice little smoky eye, so I'm just going to throw a bunch of shades in my eyes and smoke it on out. Alright, so for the face, she has hella blush, so I'm going to use our Amazonian Clay blush in the shade Doll Face and just put a lot of it on my cheeks. Now for the signature part of her look, her lips, I'm going to cover my lips with Shape Tape concealer and a sponge, and then I'm going to apply Berry Mojito Color Splash lipstick. Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Make sure to comment down below what you guys are being for Halloween. And make sure to light the black flame candle next Hallows Eve. Come! We fly! I smell a child. Should I keep my ears?
Yes.